Welcome guys to our first episode of Dyson Sphere Program, and this is a brand new game, just came out like 3 days ago on Steam. I have been practicing it for the past couple days. Steam has really been pushing for me to get this, as it just kept on recommending me to buy this game, and so I ended up trying it out. I think it's on sale right now, $17. It is again 3 days after the release. And right now I'm really liking this game. I'm not used to the automation of the game, so I really have to think bigger, because I'm used to just being by myself, chopping down trees or doing all the work myself. But no, not in this game. You have to really work on having everything organized, and right now I'm still in the learning process of the game. I haven't played Satisfactory, and this game's supposedly just like that game. And so I'm really excited. Let's go ahead, get into our gameplay. So here we're able to select a star system that we want to play under. So I'm going to change it up. I should have done that smaller one because it was nice tight cluster there. I don't know what the best is. I've only been on one planet, and I know like the beginning part of the game, but I don't know like trying to traverse planets and stars. All right, I like this one, Hercules. This is the Hercules cluster. So let's go ahead, get started in the game.
Welcome to the actual universe. You may find it's different from our homeland. Should you be able to adapt to the laws of physics in a short time, I am your advisor and will help you through this mission.
Man, this looks amazing.
Everything here is yours. As one of Cosmo and the pioneer of the Dyson Sphere Program, you will explore this cluster step by step. By using the resources here to construct the Dyson Sphere to provide energy for the center brain to maintain homeland, starting from scratch. I have chosen a designated planet for you to start the mission, which has necessary resources for initial development. Now please drive the space capsule to the planet.
Okay, we're heading off to Hercules 4. But yeah, I really enjoy outer space, and I love being able to traverse the planets, and so I'm really excited for this game. Again, I got to start thinking big time.
Now you are about to reach the designated planet.
There we go, we got our mech.
This is Icarus, a lightweight industrial mecha with powerful functionality. You can use the arrow keys or right-click on the destination to control its movement. In this mission, you will manipulate Icarus to travel beyond the stars and create miracles.
Okay, so I'm gonna go through everything, let this guy speak, because I do like to rewatch my videos.
Now try to recycle the space capsule. Right-click on it to recycle.
Yeah, so I do like to watch my videos, and then I normally learn a lot from rewatching my videos. So let's go ahead and recycle this. Right click. While we're doing that, let's check out the
same operation to collect resources, such as trees, gravel, etc. In the meantime, hold down Shift and right click to give a series of commands. You receive several items after recycling the space capsule. Click the inventory button in the lower right corner of the screen to open the cabin to view them.
Okay, you done talking? You done talking? Okay, so what is the Dyson Sphere? As civilization continues to develop, the demand for energy will continue to increase in vast universe. Develop the star's energy.
You can hold down mouse middle button drag to rotate the angle of view or slide the mouse wheel to zoom in and out.
Sorry about that. He's interrupting. Develop the star's energy becomes an inevitable choice for civilization development when the energy on the planet can no longer sustain. In 1960, Mr. Freeman Dyson put forward...
Yet you have not unlocked the construction menu, which will be done automatically when complete any technology research. Click the technology tree button at the bottom right of the screen to open the technology tree and activate a research.
In 1960, Mr. Freeman Dyson put forward a legendary concept, the Dyson Sphere theory. Dyson Sphere is a imaginary space giant that can surround the entire star and obtain most or all of its energy output. According to the classification of Cardiff civilization level, first class civilizations can develop and utilize all the resources of the planet on which it inhabits. Secondary civilizations can collect energy of the entire star system and even allow the matter to break the speed limit of light. Third level civilization can master and use all the energy of the entire galaxy. Processing the ability to build a Dyson sphere indicates that humanity will move towards the secondary civilization. Cool. All right, so the rest of these I really don't need to read. I just want to learn more about the Dyson sphere. So just be prepared. I'm going to be pressing a whole bunch of wrong buttons. Still learning it, like I said. Okay, shift. We're gonna start clearing out some area. Get some energy. And this is good for the beginning. I mean, I should start getting some coal. And I actually should start figuring out where I'm gonna be putting like the beginning parts of our base. We need to be between iron, copper, and probably get some stone in this thing. So let's add some energy to our mech so we can use coal, the wood. I still haven't figured out if wood's used for anything else other than fuel. Same thing with the plant fibers. So we got copper, we have our iron. Do I have coal anywhere nearby? Here's coal, so that's not too bad. Now what about stone? I really need to start upgrading everything. I think this is stone up here. Nope, more coal. I need some light. The planet's blocking our light. This looks really nice. I like being able to look up at the sky, see our planet. Should be a little bit darker of image. Alright, I see some stone. There should be some stone over here. So that's not too far away. Nice beautiful sunrise coming up. Okay, so I am going to take out a lot of these trees. We don't need to do it, but it'd be nice so then I can start putting everything on the grid and organizing everything out. So I'm going to go ahead, clear out all these trees, and then we'll get started on our very first build of the game. Okay, so we got the area all cleared out. I'll work on clearing out this area later when we get our initial first setup. Again, this is going to be ugly, but I will do my best. We're gonna harvest some copper, harvest some iron, and this is so we can get iron ingots, copper ingots. So while he's doing that, we can actually start our process. Copper ores to copper ingots. Down at the bottom, 10 plus, produce. And then we have full power going on with the woods, and so that's why I cut down the trees, at least initially. Okay, let's go get some iron now. Since copper's done, we can start making some iron ingots. Okay, one more set should be good. And what else? What else? So for the technology to start off the game, we need electromagnetism. This requires 10 of these. What are these called? We're going to activate it. Yeah, like I said, still learning the game. So magnetic coils, we are going to need 2 magnets and 1 copper to be able to get 2 of these. So now we just need iron fragments or iron ores to be able to start crafting these. We can actually start crafting them now. Then might as well still get some more iron ores going. Let's craft another set. Then we can queue up our next. Let's check out how much we need. 10 total. Add more wood inside. There we go, electromagnetism. Research results. You have unlocked a new automatic mining machine which will automatically collect ores for you. Of course, its capacity is limited. You may wish to transport these minerals to smelting facilities automatically.
You have created a mining machine to achieve ore collecting automation. Pick it up from the inventory or select it on Gathering of Construction menu to build it.
Okay, so under buildings, everything's gonna get built on this right side here. So this is the pre-build process, and then over here is the actual setting down everything onto, these are all the items that you have. So we do have to build a mining machine. We do have some electrical parts that we got for completing, right? Because I see we need to. Then you want to try to...
You can use the R key to rotate the mining machine for covering more veins. The more veins covered, the faster the ores will be gathered. If you want to ignore grid snapping, try holding down the shift key.
Okay, so we want to try to cover up as much as possible, but then still be able to... Because we're going to have conveyor belts in this game. So we got to be able to connect everything together with the copper ores over there. And I like to just have everything snap into place. Okay, here we go. 7. That's probably the most I can get here. And then now we need power. Right now we have wind turbine power. So we need a wind turbine, Tesla tower.
You have established your first power grid. Not all power facilities has its power supplier. Use the Tesla tower to extend the area of the power grid. You have done building the first power transmission facility, Tesla Tower. It can carry out short-distance wireless power transmission and expand the power supply area of the power grid. Click on it to view the current power grid information.
Okay, so I need to continue on with the research. We really need the basics logistics system. So we need to start crafting some electrical parts, circuit boards, and gears. Okay, gears, we just need 1 iron ingot. There we go, crafting 10. Electrical parts, 2 iron ingots and 1 copper. Do you have enough material for that? So let's craft another 10. And then this should be completing our next research. So while that's going, let's go ahead and set up our next extractor. You have unlocked automated logistics, the conveyor belt, and sorter. You can use them to automatically transport the ores gathered in the mining machine for smelting, or to load them into storage.
You have received the sorter and the conveyor belt, which can achieve full automation now. Use the conveyor belt to transport the piled up ores from the mining machine, and the sorter can deliver the ores from the conveyor belt to the smelter for automatic smelting.
Okay, our copper mining machine's now a go. I still need power over there. So we need to start building more power. We can build 6 total wind turbines. Let's build 3 of them. I need some Tesla towers too. Let's craft all 10. Okay, we'll let that go. So we got our conveyor belts.
When putting a conveyor belt, all you need to do is determine the starting point and the end point of it. In addition, use the up arrow key to lift up 1 level, and use the down arrow key to drop down 1 level after the conveyor belt is lifted. Press keypad 0 to reset the construction height of the conveyor belt to the ground. If you don't want the conveyor belt to be attached to the building, you can try holding down the shift key.
Okay, so for the conveyor belt, we're just gonna click on the building, go 1 forward, and right there is probably good. Again, I should be going big time right now and start mass producing, but I'm still a noob at this, and so I'm still learning the game. I do need a smelter. So we need 10 magnetic coils, 10 circuit boards. So we need more magnetic coils. So which means we need more magnets because I don't have enough magnets. Let those start producing. Again, it starts off really, really slow, but then when we get going, this thing's gonna be a mess. Okay, so I need more iron ores. We can click on the belt. Let's take a whole bunch from here. Make more magnets. Okay, so we'll wait for that to get done. Again, these will probably be moved in time, but I just need to start having power. Okay, no items. There we go. We got our smelter. You have unlocked the smelter and it will automatically smelt base materials such as iron and copper ingots for you. To achieve full automation, you need to use a sorter to automatically put the ores on conveyor belts into the smelter. Okay, so we're gonna build that smelter. And right there's good for now.
You built a smelter, which
Yes,
can
I
smelt
did.
basic materials, such as iron ingots and copper ingots automatically, while you want to make the raw materials and products get in and out of it autonomously. You need to use sorters and conveyor belts.
Okay, so what we're going to need to do here is I'm actually going to delete a section. We're going to run the sorter from...
The sorter is a transportation connector of cargoes between facilities. It will automatically transport them as long as the supply facility and the receiving facility are bridged.
Okay, from the conveyor belt to the smelter. So it's going to start putting items in there when we tell it to start smeltering some iron ingots. There we go. Iron ingots are now a go.
After selecting the recipe, you can use the less than key to copy the recipe and the greater than key to paste the next building that needs to set the same recipe.
Okay, I need to build some storages because I need to get these iron ingots in the storage. 4 iron ingots, 4 stone. Don't have any stones, so I could probably clean up this area, pick up the stones over here. So we'll grab all these stones, get them changed into... what are they called? These are just stones. Rocks to stones, I guess it is. Check our fuel. And we're just going to produce these in the backpack. Again, I know I need to start thinking big time, but my mind just can't handle. I'm not going to be able to think big time right now. I just have to get the basics all completed and then we'll start expanding. Probably delete a lot of this is going to get deleted and redone. Get some storage units going. First storage unit now ready.
You built a storage, which can be used to store cargo. You can manually store or use the sorter to automatically stock the cargo.
Okay, so this needs power over here. Let's get our Tesla tower. And then I can start running these out of here. Delete. So now that's going into the storage, letting these start to work. I'm going to do the same for our copper, and then all these are going to meet up in the center place, so then we can start getting this blue material here, the blue matrix, as this is like the very first technology research item that we need. So I saw a blue matrix, red matrix, yellow matrix, and then I haven't gotten much farther after that. Okay, so here we got to kind of do the same setup, and then again in time this will all change to be something more organized. Okay, so I need a conveyor belt coming out. Lack of items. Build more conveyor belts. Then I need to start producing a lot of these materials. So like the gear components, we can start producing magnets, magnetic coals. Okay, smelter. And then this is going to be for copper ingots. Move these inside. Delete that one out. Get those coppers off of there. Now I need a storage. There to there, there to there. Up. Oh, I don't have any more. Run out of these quite a bit, so you have to keep on top of everything. I need electrical parts. Electrical parts, I need some iron ingots. Let's go grab some of those. Put a bunch of iron in our backpacks. Probably put a... Do we have? No, we don't have excess just yet. Okay, connection piece. Delete. And I know we can use the number keys, and that's to start speeding everything up. X to be able to dismantle, but I'm still not good at it just yet. It's going to take me some time and some practice. So then we'll send this one out. Okay, so now we got our ingots going. What would be next? I think I need to start creating some magnets. So what I'm going to do here is branch off of this one here. Have something run in the back. Okay, go ahead, dismantle this. Let's add a new one. Need more conveyor belts. Continue that conveyor belt there. Making magnets. And this is going to be made in the smeltering factory. Let's make a couple more smelters. Even though I had a bunch there. No, it lied to me. I thought it had 10. This is going to be the recipe for the magnet. Delete that center spot. Have that going in, and then we can branch this one off. And then let's build another storage unit. And you know I could just go this way? No, too close. I should have spread them out a little bit more. Let me go ahead, delete these out. One space over. Okay, that's a lot better. Probably gonna need to do the same here. Let's go ahead, stop this. That's going inside. I don't know if you delete the base, everything will disappear, or if it automatically goes into your backpack. Let's go ahead, try that out. Dismantle. 88. I think that went into our backpacks. I think. Okay, there we go. Got our iron ignet storage, our magnets going. Now let's go ahead, see what would be next that we can do. So I think we need gears, which is made in the assembler. I don't have the assembler yet. So let me do some more research. Let's see what's our next research that I can do. This here will unlock our blue matrix cubes. So then let's go ahead and activate this. I need 5 more coils and 10 more circuit boards. I got enough for the electrical parts. And same for the coil. Man, you see, I'm just going like total small scale here. I need to go so much bigger. But again, I gotta learn how this game really works. I didn't play Satisfactory, so I'm not sure like how everything works, because it's supposed to be similar for everything. And again, I'm not this automation guy. I'm used to chopping down trees one at a time. And so I have to learn how to mass produce. There we go. Research is completed. You have unlocked the matrix lab, or rather the center brain connector, and you will use it to upload the matrices to the central brain to obtain technology. And so that's where we're going to end the episode tonight, is me building out our blue cubes. So we still have a while before we're actually ready for that. Okay, so continuing on with the upgrades. So this is the building that I do need. Okay, so it looks like we need to start making some gears. You have unlocked the assembly machine. You can make iron and copper ignits into more advanced products, but its speed is slower. By upgrading technology, you can get a faster assembler. Okay, so this is going to start producing our gears. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do, so I'm going to add a conveyor belt there, skip this one, bring this back up to here. Get this assembler going. Connect it there, connect it there, connect it into here. And then we need some power. And then this is going to make our gears. I need a storage unit right next door. Connect it there. And there we go. Now we got our gears going in the back. So now what I need to start doing... Oh, power problems. We need more wind turbines. Let's start our next technology before I add more wind turbines. 50 matrix, 50 matrix. So we need to start producing matrix next. Let's see if I have any upgrades that I can do, because I think that's all the technology that I can do without having the blue matrices. So upgrades. Blue matrix. Here we go. I can unlock this here. Let's activate that. 20 copper ignits. Let's grab some of those. Here we go. We can get our next upgrade. Wind turbines. Let's make all 6. What do these require? I need more magnetic coals. Our mech has increased its core energy, 40 megajoules. Hopefully that does enough power for us. Okay, so I need to start crafting more conveyor belts there. And I should also craft more. There we go. We got our mech queued up for a while. Let's make sure we got energy going inside. Okay, so now this is where I gotta be organized on all this stuff, because this is where it can get really, really messy. So I'm just going to build a long line there. Okay, this is going to be the next thing I work on is the magnetic coils. We need 2 magnets, 1 copper. So now I need to get these magnets over here. Need to build more assemblers when this is all completed. Need more electrical parts. Okay, we'll let all those craft up and then we'll get back to the next part of our build. Okay, we threw our assembler down. This is going to be making our magnetic coils. So we'll get this to cross there. Let's delete out some of these. Have that one go across there. So then now this is going to be getting all the magnets into it. Now we have to run a copper line to here. Again, this is not going to be the most organized thing right now. And I'm probably going to go all the way. Because I do want to put another extractor. I'm probably going to put another extractor up here, one of these. So I can go all the way to here. Bring it down. Bring it one more so it's close. And then we use the sorter, go inside. Let our drones go to work. Copper line comes down. Now let's get a storage. Connect these together. Looking at it, I'm gonna add another one. Bring our power over. There we go. This is going to be magnetic coils. I can continue this one down to there. Build our sorters going in. Sorter in, and then a sorter there. So then now this should start mass producing here. Not really mass producing yet, mini mass producing. See if that goes through the product a little bit faster. Okay, so we got the magnetic coil completed. Let's go ahead and start on our circuit boards. This is going to be made on the assembler also. So which means we need more assemblers. What am I missing? I got 32 of these. Gears, I need gears. And iron. Easy, just steal it from there. You're not gears. we go. We'll let 10 more craft. Okay, one assembler there. Storage unit in between. Another assembler. Oops. Oops. I thought I got a storage here. Oh, that's why. No more storages available. So I really need to get stone going. I need to get a lot of things going. We go storage in between, and then let's get our sorters going in, sorter going in. Gonna delete this line a little bit to right there for now, because now I can start adding the sorter to there. This one's going to branch off straight into the building. Same thing, get a branch off into the building. Sorters. And it's asking, what are you going to be making here? Electrical parts. And then now we need to add the iron. Inside. Inside. And now we're producing electrical parts. So yeah, we're mass producing all the items. Mini mass producing. Other than glass and stone, because that's in a whole nother different world. Is that stone there? I've already forgotten where. No, that's coal. Yeah, I don't remember where the stone is. But we don't need glass. I can go do glass another time. Okay, we're gonna add our matrix lab. And thinking about in this section, we build our little matrix setup.
Matrix Lab. You can use it to make super matrices or research technologies that require them to unlock. The super matrices are the source code of the center brain for maintaining the homeworld. You can upload as many super matrices to the center brain as possible. You can be benefit to unlock more actual world technologies by operating the homeworld simultaneously.
Okay, so now we have to get all this material over here, the electrical magnets and the electrical parts, as that will start producing our blue cubes. Again, overdoing everything because I'm not sure how far out we're gonna go, and then I'll just end up deleting it. We need to work on our upgrades, getting more drones, making them faster so we can build faster. But we're close. We are close to actually getting this starting to go and producing. Okay, so now we have to build our electrical part line. Okay, I'm actually going to close this one down. I closed it down by just selecting another material. So I think we have enough gears for now. So then now all this is coming this way, which is now producing electrical parts. So let's get a conveyor belt right here in the middle. Come down. Then we'll just follow the same thing all the way down. Go build our lines across. 2 here. This one could be just a shorty for right now. Okay, there we go. Now let's start adding these into our matrix lab. Connect that one, connect that one. Okay, so now I need to start building more matrix labs. This is where I need some glass. Okay, I need to go get more stone. And I might set up like a little stone section. Let me go find where the stone is at. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna add our stone collector. I think our starting base is, there it is, way over there. So we're kind of far away. So we're gonna have to build a separate power system over here. Okay, now it's starting to produce stone. And so I would have put this on this side, but I only could get like 3 of the nodes And so this one I was able to get more being on this side. So that's why I'm gonna wrap it around. Let's throw in a storage unit, smelter, and then more power. Bring this one in, this one in. Here we are gonna be producing just regular stones, and I need another conveyor belt here to here. Get this line going. I need to make more storages. Connect these two. Ghost stones are now getting done there. Add a smelter there. This is going to be producing glass, which I think is 2 stones or 2 rocks. Connect these. Need more power. Get more Tesla coils. We got 5 more that we can produce. And that should basically give us enough power for this little tiny area. I'll expand it in time. But we basically have our glass material. If I need any stone, we can grab some stone here. All right, let's head back to our main part of the base. Okay, and while I'm walking over here, let's go ahead and produce more matrix labs. I do need more iron ingots and more circuit boards. As you can see, we got a bunch of circuit boards ready for us. Let's grab some iron. Let's produce 4 more matrix labs. So I'm gonna wait for those to get built out. I'm actually gonna check out our system and see if there's any bog downs in anything. I think the holdup's just these matrices. So we can click them and put them right on top of each other. More power. More power. Tesla towers. Okay, so we have to pick what we're gonna do here. Producing more matrix cubes. I need to build more matrices. 3 more. Need more iron. And then that one could stack on top. This one here, I haven't figured out if it's good to stack 3 if it goes faster. But I am just going to put 1 for now, and then we can adjust it later in time. This one we are going to choose research. Okay, I do think these need to move in 1 because it wasn't working for me. Move that in. Now let's put our matrix down. Lined it there, lined it inside, this one here. Oh, and this one's not ready. That's why it's not producing anything. That line there, that line there. Okay, now we should be producing more cubes. This one's gonna be research. There we go. We got our cubes now going in for research. So now let's start queuing up some research. I am gonna complete all the blue cubes tonight. So this is improved logistics. So that's the faster logistics program. 100 total there. Okay, it does look like it's going kind of slow. So let's add another one. More power, more power. Yeah, I can't wait to start unlocking more items in the game. I really can't wait to see what this end game looks like, being able to harvest power from the sun, wherever that sun might be. We're gonna take all your power that we are. Okay, got more wind turbines going. And then I'm just gonna connect it up to this next section over here. There we go, we should have power connected. More wind turbines now. We shouldn't be crying on power. 10 more blue matrices, and then we have our next research done. So yeah, I think we have to go 3 high because that was really fast compared to that 1 at a time. Improved logistics. You have unlocked the splitter for direction. It has 3 different styles which can be used to diverge cargo or balance multiple conveyor belts. And then this one's a faster sorter. Let's see what is next. I could do steel. I haven't done steel yet in my other gameplay. Haven't done the purification. Here we go, thermal power. This is what I need for more power. Let's go ahead, activate you. 30 total. So yeah, right now this is working pretty well. So the next thing that I'm thinking of doing is I need more iron ingots to be coming. Okay, so I'm gonna clear out some of these bushes here. Get these trees out of here. Thermal power. You can now use thermal power station. It is a power generation facility that consumes combustibles to generate electricity and has energy efficiencies. Just because I need more iron ingots to start coming out, we're gonna put a smelter there, storage unit next to it. Need another storage unit. Let's make all the storage units that we can. You are gonna be iron ingots. Stack you in. Storage unit next to it. Asking for some power. Okay, I can do that. Got power now. Then I'm gonna steal from here. I wonder if a faster one would help here. Let's try the faster one out. Oh yeah, that's much better, because now I'm still able to fuel this. And it's coming along into our smelter. Now I need a connection from the smelter to the storage. There we go. Now we got more storage. And then right now I'm just going to let this fill up. Let's go ahead and check out our next research. Fluid storage encapsulation. I think this is where we can start getting some water. Fluid storage now available. You unlock the fluid encapsulation technology, which allows transport fluid with conveyor belts. Also can be stored excess fluid into a large capacity storage tank. And let's go for our next technology, high efficiency plasma control. And basically I'm just going to be getting all the blue technologies all completed for tonight. Research complete. You have mastered the plasma control technology. Now you can build a wireless power tower for remote power transmission and charge mecha. Then you can continue to study crude oil extraction and refinery base on this technology. And we'll start implementing them more in the next episode. Electromagnetic drive. You have unlocked the power system component, the electric motor. It can accelerate the machine's operating and increase the movement speed of mecha in its initial stage. It's like that. We're gonna have to start mass producing. Okay, next technology. What can we get? We need red cubes for that. I know within the next couple days we'll get red cubes started. Plasma extract refining. Okay, more glass, which means more matrix buildings we can do once when I get more magnet coals. Okay, more matrices are now producing. Stack these up on top of each other. Feed these into the system. You're going to be producing more matrix cubes. Plasma extract refining. You can now extract crude oil resources. In addition to using its energy, you can also refine it into various chemical products. Man, there's like so much we can do in this game. Okay, so this one, I think I'm gonna run that to there. We need one shorty. Let's move these out. Conveyor belt to there. Feed these into the system. Hopefully that'll help go a little bit faster. Let's see what else we can craft. Energy matrix 200. Yeah, it still seems to go at the same speed no matter how much you have going in. Okay, well then, let's try this out then. Let's go ahead and put this right here. Might as well build the 3. Let's delete this line. Okay, we'll see if feeding 2 sets of these will speed up the process. Yeah, it seems to be going a little bit faster there. Because this one's going at the same time. Another set of 3. Oh, forgot to read that. Pressed the wrong button too fast. So that should have been energy matrix. Okay, so now we just unlocked the red cube. So probably the next episode we'll work on this. A key that opens the energy gate and another basic source code that keeps the central brain stimulating or simulating. The energy matrix is used for uploading and unlock more advanced energy technologies. Okay, let's see what else we got. Basic chemical engineering. Add 2 more labs there. This is going to be for research purposes. Help us research faster. I'm hoping that this is correct. So since these cubes are slowed down here, we can add a conveyor belt system. Move this product to there, this product to there. I need more conveyor belts. This one's gonna go up, over, and then in. More power we need, more power. Basic chemical engineering. You have mastered basic chemical technology, and now you can use chemical plants to produce more chemical products. Okay, let's see what else we can get crafted. I don't think I can go any further down the list. Oh, 400 right here. No. Let's do this one, 200. So while this is going, I'm actually gonna go work on our power with this thermal power station. Semiconductor material. You have unlocked the semiconductor material, the micro component, which can be used to make more complex integrated circuits. Okay, let's keep up on this. Smeltering purification. Need a Tesla tower over here. Give me some power. Just throw another one here. This one's gonna come out. Just get this in a straight line there. Yep, so we're gonna use our coal power here. So these are gonna be producing coal power. Smeltering purification. You have mastered more advanced smeltering techniques, and you can use smeltering to purify ores to obtain purer materials. On a planet without silicone veins, smelting the stone ores into silicone ores is also a good choice. Okay, let's get these connected up so I can get more power. Let's put 2 going in. Might as well do a 3rd. And can I build 1 more? Nope, I don't have any. Let's check out our power. Consumption for megajoules. And we have 10 total coming in. So that should deal with our power for a little bit. Let's see what else we have next. Solar panels. Let's activate that. Man, this episode's getting long. Sorry guys for such a long video here. But I really want to get started, and then we can start making our shorter, sweeter episodes. We'll see. But I'm really liking how this looks. I think these matrices look awesome. And I mean, it looks like that we don't even have enough coming. Solar collection. You can now use solar panels. It is a power generation facility that converts solar radiate energy into electrical energy. It does not work at night. You can use accumulators to store surplus electrical energy during the day.
The data shows this is a planet without natural silicone veins. However, you can still obtain some by smelting stone ore. While you still need a massive silicone collection, you need to find a planet rich with silicone veins as soon as possible.
Yep, no silicone just yet. We will get that soon. Okay, looks like I think this is the last one here. Oh, I see now. This process here is starting to slow down. So let's follow the assembly line. This one's out of material. We got that going. Oh, because these aren't producing at a higher enough rate. Steel smelting. You have mastered the steel smelting technique, and now you can further smelt the iron ingots to produce steel with better mechanical properties. Environmental modification. Okay, so I think I'm going to start helping speed up the magnet. Okay, I'm just going to add the smelting station here. You're going to be producing magnets. Run our conveyor belt. We need more of these. Connect the sorter. So now that should help out with the magnet production. Anything else slowing down? These electrical parts are just going right now. Okay, so this electrical plant's not even working. So I am gonna add, I told you it's gonna be a mess. It's gonna be a mess. Add conveyor belt. Environmental modification, you have unlocked the foundation. This can flatten the surface of a planet by either leveling mountains or filling an ocean. If you use to raise the land, it will consume soil piles, but if you use to lower the land, it will give soil piles. Okay, so where was I? Right here. Connect that there. There we go. So now we got more iron ingots going in. Even though I really don't need electrical parts, but I do want this one to start producing stuff and not just sitting there doing nothing. Need that plant going. Okay, we're still on a low amount of the magnets. Let's go ahead and get our next technology. Processor 800. Yeah, let's go processor. Okay, another smelter, because then I'm just gonna add this excess to this one. Bring you over, you to here, you across. Recipe is gonna be for more magnets. Okay, I do see a slowdown, so I am gonna connect this one. Go ahead, dismantle that. So now it's just going straight onto the production line. We still seem to not be backing up just yet. Okay, another smelter, more magnets. So I'm gonna run this one, come along here, get this line going there. This line can connect. And you can go into there. So this one's not going to get any material now until this one backs up. There we go. Okay, so have we finally caught up? Still haven't just yet. Like, see, we're backing up right here. Okay, magnets are finally getting a little bit backed up, but then the magnet coils aren't working. Processor, you unlock the processor, a large-scale integrated circuit device that can handle more complex data operations. I think that might be it for all that we can craft in the technologies. Okay, we have applied superconductor. Let's go ahead and do that while I still try to figure out what do I need to do. Okay, so I added another gatherer, and then this one's going to connect to here. So then I can get rid of this. So then now this can just feed into these two, right? And then this one's going to come along. feed into this one. So now we're gonna get more magnets going, and then this should start backing us up. I see where we're slowing down, so let's get a faster system, because I do have a lot of material in here. Let's get us caught up. Still not yet. So I'm probably going to change out these three, or the two other ones. And let's get this faster one going. Yeah, I don't think these two need to be upgraded, because they're not backing up. This one needs to. There we go. Now we're dropping. Applied superconductor. You can now produce graphene, a nano superconducting
Rare
material.
veins scatter around different planets. They will greatly improve production efficiency. So if you find them, collect them, and put them as a part of industrial production.
Graphene is made in a chemical factory facility and can be produced with much greater efficiency through the use of a rare material called fire ice. It's going to be on another planet. There we go. Now we're starting to back up here. That's what I need. Electrical parts are starting to get used. Oh, it looks like I need to upgrade our electrical parts. There we go. I think I just sped up all the iron ingots to go a lot faster, so now we should start backing up again on our electrical parts. This one should start filling up. Perfect. Okay, let's check our research. Make sure we got everything that we can complete. So yeah, it does look like we have all just the blue matrix cubes completed. Now we need to start producing the red. Now we got all our upgrades that we can do. So let's start on those. Universe exploration level 1. Able to view the veins distributions on the planet.
You have unlocked the universe exploration. Now you can click the details display button in the lower right corner of the screen to open real-time distribution details of the ore veins.
There we go. Now we can start seeing from a distance without actually having to walk up of what the veins are on the planet. And this is actually not that great of a spot. I mean, we're surrounded by coal, crude oil. Like, this is a pretty good spot for crude oil, but I see no other iron ingots anywhere, or iron fragments, whatever these are called. Okay, let's go ahead and unlock this one. Universe exploration level 2. Let's get more matrices build. Really just need one more. And that gets added to the top. Again, I don't know if it speeds up. It looks like it's going a little bit faster for each one that we have going. I do like how the cubes look at night. Nice and lit up. Okay, so I'm surprised we're not crying for power. So we're at 1400. Universe exploration
Now,
2.
You can try to view the whole planetary system, and even the entire cluster, by clicking the star map button in the lower left corner of the screen.
Okay, we're around orbit of Hercules 3. This is the moon of Hercules. There's our sun. Not sure how to tilt it that way. There we go. So it looks like this is a 3-planet system. Can I see what's on Hercules 1? 0.72 AU out. We have no silicone over here. Titanium we do have. And Hercules 2. We got silicone on this planet, so we'll be visiting this planet very soon. Ooh, purple cubes. Okay, let's get the mecha core completed. Oh, that's why, because I already completed it. Okay, what is next? I don't have these made, so we're not going to do that. No steel. There we go, communication control. This will give us one more construction drone. Communication control level 1. We can now control one more drone unit. Very nice. We need the red matrix cubes for the next. I don't have this here. This is the energetic graphite. Drone engines, yes. Construction drones flight speed, a little bit faster. And let's go get some coal, because I can complete this one while we're waiting. Drone engine level 1, faster drone flight. And I'm still collecting our coal. We need quite a bit for the next upgrade. I already forgot the number. 150, 150. Then we need 60 electrical magnets or magnet coils. Drive engine is next. Let's see. Drone engine we can't do. Drive engine we can't do. We got a vertical construction. We need the red cubes. All right, this is going to be the last item of what I see. Let me go ahead and go through the technologies also again. Make sure we completed everything. Drive engine level 1 unlocks mecha flight. You can now fly and increase the movement speed of 150 in fly mode.
You have received the ability to fly. Double-click the space key to lift off, and then use the arrow keys to control mecha movement. The moving speed will increase by 150% with more energy consumed under flight mode. Pressing the Alt key can return the mecha to the ground during the flight.
Very nice. Took our first flight. Okay, so what I ended up doing over here is I just added a storage unit to start storing all our blue matrix cubes. Can I export blue matrix cubes from these points? I'm not sure, because these are at a standstill now and not doing anything. How about let's build another storage here. Gonna start feeding this one into this storage just because I don't have any needs for the blue cubes just yet. And so I do have a lot of building that I need to do so I can start producing more red cubes. But yeah, we got a lot of things to do. I mean, we've unlocked basically all the technology that we can right now. So next episode, I think the plan is to start working on getting more red cubes so then we can get all our technologies up, all our upgrades up in the game. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this game. I mean, little tiny build here, but I do plan on getting better at this game and actually learning the mechanics and learning what needs to be near what to be able to produce a massive amount of material. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this gameplay and hope you guys get this game too, because it's super awesome. I'm glad that I ended up getting it. But yeah, with that, this will complete our episode for today. Thanks again for watching this Dyson Sphere episode. We will see you on the next video.